ahead to tomorrow, New York City, the epicenter of the coronavirus pandemic in the U.S., is set to enter phase 1 of reopening. This as the number of cases across the country is still rising. Janae Norman reports.
New York City, once the epicenter of the U.S. outbreak, is set to begin phase 1 of its reopening tomorrow after nearly 3 months of strict stay-at-home orders.
This is a moment that every New Yorker should celebrate as our achievement together, your achievement, because you did the hard work to fight back the coronavirus so we could get to phase 1.
Other parts of the Empire State will be entering phase 2. Governor Cuomo saying New Yorkers did more than just flatten the curve.
We bent the curve. We intended to flatten to get to a plateau. We bent it. And look at the rest of the country. We are curve benders, if there is such a thing.
However, there are still sobering numbers. Across the country, there have been more than 1.9 million confirmed COVID cases. At least 20 states and Puerto Rico are currently seeing the number of cases increase daily. South Carolina registering its highest single-day total this past Friday. And 2 of Texas's biggest cities, Dallas and Houston, are also seeing an uptick in cases. And Florida coming out of its highest weekly spike. And as crowds continue to gather to protest following the death of George Floyd, officials are concerned there could be another surge in cases.
Lots of people in close contact yelling and screaming can propel the virus, and 35 to 50% of patients with COVID can be infected and asymptomatic. There's a real concern for viral resurgence.
Several cities opening free testing sites, urging everyone who is at a protest to get tested and to self-quarantine for 14 days. Janae Norman, ABC News, New York.
Here in Nevada, there are more than 9,600 cases of COVID-19. The chart we're showing you now is the rate of daily cases we've seen since the start of the pandemic. In March, the highest number was 258. April showed 229, and in May, nearly 300. Currently, that highest number is at 189.